to turn off safe mode on your Android phone. So if you don't know what safe mode is, it's basically you're gonna turn off or shut down all of the third-party apps, and you can only run the inbuilt apps on your phone. So as you can see, all of these gray icons or these apps are downloaded afterwards. So only the ones that were by default in the phone are running. So I'm going to show you how to turn it off. The first method is you can just swipe down your notification panel and you should see a safe mode is on notification. So it says tap here to turn off safe mode. I'm just going to tap on it. And here it says turn off safe mode. Your phone will restart and all of your apps will be available again. This is one method you can do. And another method you can do is long press on your power button, and this will pop up the power menu, and you can long press on your power off button as well. And here you can see the safe mode is right now turned on. So if I tap it again, it will restart my phone and the safe mode will be turned off. And that's how you can easily turn off safe mode on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.